guys, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am here with another video. As you can see from the title, we are about to make homemade garlic butter. But before we jump into that video, thank you all for coming back to my channel. Thank you all for always supporting your girl. I appreciate it. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please feel welcome. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you will not miss another upload from your girl. Let's jump into that video right now. So guys, as I said, we're here to make garlic butter, and for our ingredients we will need 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Currently I only have one here. That is because I've gone ahead and I pureed some garlic before, because it's very time consuming if you're not using a food processor. I also have some Beckel butter here, and it's unsalted. I have half tablespoon rather of oregano. I also have a tablespoon of flaked parsley, and I have this little mortar that I use to assist me in getting my garlic to the texture that I want, and I have a dish here to put my butter in. So let's jump into it. So I will show you how to prepare one of the garlic, because of the interest of time. So you have your garlic, like I told you, you need 6 of them. You're going to cut it up finely like this. Hope you're able to see it as clear as possible. So you're going to cut it up finely, just like this. As fine as possible. Make sure your hands are clean. And guys, you know how garlic is. It's very strong, so make sure the board that you're using is not something that you want to use right away, because it takes a while to get rid of it. So I soak it, and then you're going to use your knife to just crush the garlic. But for me guys, what I do to speed up my process, I just put the cut garlic into my mortar here. Very small and handy one. You can use to crush your pimentos and everything. And what I do guys is crush it a little. So I will pound it to get it a little softer and easier to begin the process. So this is how I do it. Then, and the mortar is clean, that's why I put it on the cutting board. Then what I will in turn do, I will put it back on the board and continue to soften it or to puree it, right? If you have a food processor, go right ahead and use your food processor. So what I do, I put it back here, and then I continue until it is as soft and creamy as I liked it, right? Okay, you don't want to have any, like chunks of garlic in the butter. So yeah, so you do keep doing like this with the knife. So you see how easy it becomes when you actually help yourself a little bit. Yeah, so it's 6 cloves of garlic that I use, and then you do it like this guys, and there you have it. Right? And then you just put it back here. So that is how we will do, or how you would do it to get that paste, right? The garlic paste. So that's that for the garlic paste. I'm going to wipe off this knife, and I will show you how to do the. I'm not doing a whole lot guys. I'm going to put it into this jar, but I'm not even using a whole lot of it. So yeah, the next thing what you want to do is have your butter, maybe cut off. I think I'm using half of this butter. I don't want a lot. If I need more, then I'll add, but I don't want to have a lot. I am going to cut the butter in small pieces so that, you know, it can become a little softer very fast. So I'll just cut it like this. You can wear gloves if you want, especially handling the garlic. And I'll do like this. Like this. Yes guys, so and then what I will do, I will put it, let me remove this just a little bit. I will put it in this dish that I have right here, guys. So I'm going to place it in my dish in the meantime, and we cut our butter and we put it aside for a little. And we have our parsley here, as you can see in this container, and I said earlier we have our oregano. What I am going to do, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the parsley. Guys, you can season your garlic butter as you like. So I am putting some olive oil in it, not a whole lot, right? So I am using 1 teaspoon. Or you can use less, it's up to you. And I am going to also mix the oregano in it. I am trying not to use another container for this, so I'll just do it like this. And you can add as you so desire, right guys? You can add as you so desire. I think I will add a little bit more, not much. So it's a little bit more than a tablespoon. A little more than a tablespoon. I keep saying tablespoon, a little more than a teaspoon. You add that to that. Yeah, and there you have that. So what we're going to do, I am going to just put this aside. I'm going to put the butter here. And we are going to now add. It's very easy, it's very quick, as long as you completed your, sorry guys, as long as you completed the garlic is part first. And if you have a pressure set, it's still easy just the same. So what we are going to do now, we are going to put our garlic to our butter, just like this. So you add the garlic to the butter. And what you're going to do, you're going to cream it and allow it to become soft and fluffy. You could do this also on your cutting board if you so desire. I don't want to do it on the board. I want to do it in a bowl like this. So that's what I am doing. Right, and you're going to cream it. The butter is not as soft, but by the time you start creaming, it will become softer, as you can see here. And yeah, I am also now going to gradually add in the parsley and the oregano to the butter. Right, yeah, I'm trying to make sure it's as creamy as possible, guys. Like I said, it depends on how much you want. I don't want a lot of it because I'm able to make it whenever I need it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just putting in this little amount, and it depends on how much stuff you want in it. I will put some more parsley, or the rest of the parsley, into it, or the rest of the herb, because it's not only parsley but oregano. Yeah, and I will continue the process. I'll stick that right there because I'm still going to use it, but I want to make sure this is more creamy. Guys, you could add even more butter to this if you want, because there's a lot of parsley. So maybe I'll just add a piece more butter. You know, you do it as you desire. So I will put a piece more butter in it. So I'm using more than half of the butter. in this mixture. Wow, it's so creamy already and nice. So let's add the, I add a piece more butter because there's a lot of oregano and parsley, so we could still cream a little more, but I don't want to put too much because I want it to be able to fit my jar right here. So yeah, you don't always have to buy the stuff in the supermarket. It's more healthier when you prepare your own thing, right? It's much more healthier. You know exactly what is in it, right? And this is why it is best for us, you know, to bake our products, prepare our products at home, because we get to eliminate the stuff that we don't want. Are you seeing it, guys? Yeah, it's getting there, getting where I want it. I can remove this sink a little. Ooh. I could put it on the cutting board. Maybe I should bring it back there so you could see it, but I don't know, I just feel like using the bowl. A lot of people might use cutting board to cream the mixture. You could even cream it inside of your cake mixer. It's up to you, you know, what you want and how you want to do it. So that's how easy it is and simple to make your garlic butter. It's nothing really complicated. It sounds complicated, but it's not. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. This is what it looks like, right? And all I am going to do is use the jar now to put my butter in it. So you put your butter in the jar or whatever container you have, whatever you want to call it. This is a little plastic container too. So all I'm going to do is just smooth it a little inside here, right? And just keep adding it until I'm finished. So when you want your garlic bread, it's so easy to just get a little butter here, butter your bread, put it in the oven, right? Yeah, very simple and easy recipe. I'm trying to get out all of my butter. Yes. See why I didn't want to use all the butter, guys? Because I didn't want it to overflow. I know the judgment. I know the whole measurement of this thing, so that is why I didn't want it, you know, like to put too much, guys, because I know one butter would just fill it up, and I didn't want it to fill up too much either, you know, because you know there's not much to preservative. So there you have it, guys. Simple and easy. Let me try to make sure it's focusing. Simple and easy. That's your garlic butter. That's how easy it is. So the next time you're thinking about purchasing a garlic butter, remember that Blessed Girl Joe has shown you how to make homemade garlic butter in a very quick and easy way. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here, and see you all. Bye.